Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I am sitting in a 2011 Lincoln MKS and I will show you how to reset the oil life. This video will apply to Lincoln MKSs made from 2009 all the way up to 2012. In 2013 there was a facelift and I'm pretty sure things are a bit different. Okay, so to reset the oil life and set it to 100%, you'll be using these two menu buttons on the dashboard, set up and reset, and you will be looking at this small screen on the instrument cluster. So let me zoom it in. So keep pressing the setup button until you reach the oil life, and so you'll have to press it just twice. And once you are here, right now you can see my oil life is at 44%. And now press the reset and keep holding it to set it to 100%. And you have to do this within 5 seconds or so. Okay, and this will set it to 100%, so very easy to do. You should always reset the oil life to 100% after a fresh oil change, and that way the car will remind you when the next oil change is due and you will not forget it. So once again, to quickly summarize, keep pressing the setup button until you reach the oil life and then press and hold the reset to set it to 100%. That's all. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.